Gate.io. In this video, we will see about deposit reward and licenses of Gate.io. Gate.io. New users can instantly enjoy 3x rebate when depositing. Existing user can receive up to 2,000 USD in trading reward and additional VIP +1 label. During the event, new users who register through the designated KOL invitation link, complete an entity verification, and have a net deposit of 100 USD can receive 3 times the rebate benefits. The more deposits, the higher the rebate, with a maximum reward of 900 USD. Complete the specified transaction volume to unlock the corresponding rewards, and the reward will be distributed daily. Check description below here. You will find more details info. If you're new our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. For different countries, there are different licenses. Gate US obtained licenses for digital asset trading, bringing world-leading crypto exchange services to the US. Gate USA blockchain and digital asset infrastructure provider has received licenses to operate its exchange platform in several US states. Gate US has set its sights on becoming the leading blockchain and digital asset infrastructure provider in the US and will provide digital asset trading services to retail and institutional clients. Gate Group receives VFA Class 4 license in Malta, marking a strong start in Europe. Gate Group announced that its Malta-based entity, Gate Technology, has obtained a virtual financial asset service provider license in Malta. Branded as Gate Malta, it's now allowed to operate a VFA exchange and offer custodian services in or from Malta. Dr. Lin Han, the founder and CEO of Gate Group, said, "Malta is an early pioneer in regulatory frameworks that enable increased reliability and safety in the industry. Entering Malta marks the start of a push to meet regulations throughout the EU. We look forward to upholding our commitments to user welfare and responsible services, made possible in part by the country's healthy regulatory environment." Gate.io Group enters Hong Kong with compliant, secure, and comprehensive custody services. Gate.io Group's Hong Kong-based company, Hippo Financial Services Limited, has obtained the Trust or Company Service Provider license. As a result, Hippo FS is now permitted to provide virtual asset custodial services to global users. The TCSP license is required for any entity that carries on or wishes to carry on a trust or company service business in Hong Kong. Gate.io Group launches OTC block trading services following DMCC license acquisition in Dubai. Gate.io Group has announced the launch of its over-the-counter trading platform GateTC, which will provide fully licensed OTC crypto trading services catered to institutions and high-net-worth individuals. Services are offered in various countries around the world, supporting several mainstream cryptocurrencies. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.